Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix unbeatable game crashing or not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section select your game. Here I am showing you an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Now under general here you have to type -dx11 and then launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If the problem still occurs, come back, remove the launch option and move to the next solution. Next method is to update your graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for device manager. Now expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will update your graphics drivers. Once done, launch the game and check. NVIDIA and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to run game from the installation folder. So for that, go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application and double click on it and check whether it's launching or not. If not, run the game as administrator. For that, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on compatibility, then select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this doesn't resolve, select run this program in compatibility mode for select Windows 8 or Windows 7 and then click on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve, you can come back, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then try to play the game and check whether it's working or not. If the issue still occurs, come back, uncheck all of this, click on apply and OK and then move to the next solution. Now next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search over here. Now search for Windows security. Now click on firewall network protection, click on allow an app through firewall. Now click on change settings. After that, here you have to search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application. After that, add the game to the list over here. Now after adding the game, select it, make sure both public and private boxes are ticked, then click on OK and after that launch the game and check. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. Once done, try to launch the game and check. If not, next method is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam, click on settings. Now click on in-game and here you have to check if the enable the Steam overlay while in game option is enabled or disabled. If it is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. After that, launch the game and check. Same for GeForce Experience users. Open GeForce Experience, tap on gear icon beside username, click on general and switch off in-game overlay options from here. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab and switch off enable in-game overlay option from here. Next is to check graphic settings of the game. When your graphic settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues as it plays vital role. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issue. Next is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next method is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, I have already provided this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser or even you can search for Visual C++ files on your Google. The website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. After the link is downloaded, open it and you will get repair or install option. So click on repair option and wait for some time and up successful message. Now close this. After that, restart your PC once. After restarting, again log into the game and check if you can play it. If not, next is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. This will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option. Here you will get the option. Now click on it and it will check if there is any update available. In my case, I have already an update available. So if there is any update, update your Windows to the latest version and then try to launch the game. If not, next method is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings. Now click on storage, click on downloads. Now go to the downloads section, here you can see clear cache option beside clear download cache. Simply click on it and you will get a pop-up. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. So you need to confirm it. Now after confirming it, once again you have to log into it, and after logging to Steam, now try to launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, next is to run game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Now go to the game folder where your game has been installed, select the game application, add it to the list. Now after adding the game, here you have to click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference, you have to select high performance and then launch the game and check whether it's working or not. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Unbeatable game. For that, go to Steam. Under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on uninstall and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your PC. After that, restart your PC once. After restarting, again launch Steam and reinstall Unbeatable game once again, and then try to play it and check whether it's working or not. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Unbeatable game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.